Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the hole and the plastic around it to judge damage and material. If the hole is stripped but plastic is intact, reinforce. If cracked, plan welding. Clean away dust and old thread material so adhesives bond. Once done, select a method: epoxy filler for small fixes or plastic welding for structural damage. Make sure to measure the screw diameter and pick filler volume accordingly so repairs match the original fit and strength. You now rebuild the threaded area. For epoxy, mix small batch, push into hole, and insert a screwed-in mandrel such as a strip screw to shape threads. Let cure per instructions. For plastic welding, heat the rod and feed into the hole, fusing material, file smooth. In either case, you form the new thread by inserting the actual screw or a matching gauge while material is soft, ensuring correct alignment and depth so the screw will seat straight. You finish by trimming excess material, sanding smooth, and carefully retapping the thread to the exact screw size. Test by hand driving the screw at low torque, then gradually tighten to operational torque so you feel if material fails. If the repair holds, let it fully cure before reuse. If it strips again, replace with a larger screw or install a metal threaded insert. That provides durable threads when plastic alone cannot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.